Hi friends, in the previous video I was already explained how to generate a trapezoidal waveform using 8051 microcontroller, right? So in this video let us see how to control the ports of 8051 microcontroller. So we know already 8051 microcontroller having 4 ports. Let us see how to control ports of 8051. Okay. See the problem, write an assembly language program to control the ports of 8051 microcontroller. Okay, so here we should write one program. With the help of that program, we are in a position to control ports of 8051 microcontroller. Let us see how to write the program. So you know already 8051 having 4 ports, right? So let us see at least one port. Let us see how we can control one port. So you know each port having 8 pins, right? Those 8 pins can be used either for input operation or output operation. Let us say I need to control some period, sometime it should be input, sometime it should be output, like that. I need to control 8 bits of one port. That is how to write the program. The first step is move a comma hash 00h. Initially I'm making a with 00h, nothing but I need to make so we know already if any pin is 0 it is act like a output. If any pin is equal to 1 it's act like a input for any port. If you take 8 port having 8 pins, right? So in that if, for example, if any pin is 0 it is act like a output. If any pin is 1 it's act like a input, right? For that first I need to make it like a output. For that move a comma hash 00h. Okay, then move p1 comma a. So p1 is having now 8 IO pins, nothing but p1.0, p1.1, p1.2, like that up to p1.7. So all are receiving how much value? 00h, nothing but 8 zeros received by 8 pins. So nothing but all 8 pins are ready for which operation? In output operation in this case. Then I need to provide same operation for some time. For that I am writing call delay. Call CALL space some delay L1. L1 is a one label. It's a delay label I am considering. Okay, later what happens after that delay? What happens? I need to load A with 0FFH. Nothing but all ones, 8 ones. If you send 8 ones to port P1, what happens is now all pins are act like a input operation. For that I'm sending move A with as 0FF. Then move P1 comma A. So in this instruction what happens? P1 nothing but port 1 8 pins receiving FFL nothing but 8 ones. Because of all 8 ones port P1 pins are act like a input pins. So for that also I am providing some delay. Call same delay L1. Okay, so how much time port P1 act like a output? Same time I am providing port P1 act like a input also. For that same delay I am calling. So then after that what happens? I need to make it continuously output then input after that delay. Okay, after the delay it will act like a input. Then after delay act like output. Like that it will make it continuously. For that SJMP space for example L2 to L2. Okay. So this is the simple one, and okay, you know, so this short jump is used to make it same operation for infinity times, on off, nothing but make it like output then input, like that continuously for infinity times. Okay. So then later delay. What is delay here? I am considering for example move. Okay, some delay I am taking here. Move for example R0 comma as some 0AH. Okay, I am sending 0AH. Okay, small delay I am considering. Okay, then L3, no operation, then decrement jump no 0. So in this particular case R0 is initially 0AH, then it will comes to this line. NOP means no operation. Okay, nothing but your ports are holding, port P1 pins are holding with same value, maybe 0 or maybe 1. In that time if it is 0 it will hold with 0 only. If it is 1 it will hold with 1 only until completion of this delay. So decrement jump no 0 R0 comma L3. Okay, this loop repeats for how many times? 0A I am writing. So 10 times this loop repeat. Until that time, so the corresponding port P1 pins receiving 0 value or 1 value in that particular delay continuously. Okay, if it is 0, it should be 0 only for 10 cycles. If it is 1, it should be 1 only for 10 cycles. Like that. Then return. Okay, this is the program. Okay, so now, okay, this is the actually delay lines. With the help of this delay lines, so we can control the LEDs either for input operation or output operation with that particular time. Okay, so this is the simple program. Later what happens? Open microcontroller Keil 5th version. Okay, select project, then select new micro project. Okay, so it is a port control. So simply PORT is a project name I'm considering, save. So it will ask device name, so it should be 8089C51 comes under microchip vendor family, select it, then OK. Then startup.a51 not required, no. We get project like this, project of name port. Then file, new, in that you copy your program. So select this particular program. Okay, select completely. If you want, you can take complete program also, not a problem. Copy. Okay, here. If you want, you can enlarge. Then select file, then save. Okay, now we are saving. So what is file name? For example, port.asm. Okay, assembly language program. Then save. Okay. What is next step? Select the plus symbol of target. Then select the source group. Then select right click. Add existing file to this group. In that you select prog.asm. Okay. That's not prog port, right? port.asm is a file name, right? Select it. Add. Then close. So now let us see source group left side there is a plus symbol. In that we are adding port.asm program. Okay, now later what is next step? Build target or simply F7. Target is building, no errors and no warning. So everything is okay. Then what is next step? Select debug. Then start or stop debug session. Okay, it will check whether the instruction is within 2K limit or not. Okay. Okay, after that important point is for this particular program, so we should select peripherals. Till now I am not using this button. So now let us see for this particular program, select peripherals, then select IO ports. In that select port 1. So select peripherals, then IO ports, then port 1. Select port 1. So port 1, now let us see port 1. How many pins are there? 8. So initially see how many pins? 0 to 7. Port P1 having 8 pins, 0 to 7. Initially which value is present? FF value is present. So because initially all are act like an input, that's why all are tick mark. Okay. Now, okay, like that we have port P1 because in our program we are using P1. That's why I opened P1. Okay. Now this is the before running. It should be like this. Then select a run command or F7. Sorry, F5. Run command or press F5. Let us see. If you observe carefully, so it should be FF then 0 0, FF then 0 0 like that. So some period it's act like an input, some period it's act like an output, like that continuously on and off, on and off. So see, if it is on means 1, nothing but input, off means 0, nothing but output, like that on and off continuously. Like that we are controlling port P1. Like that, so we can use port 2 or even port 3 or port 0 also in same manner. Okay. So if you increase delay, then this particular controlling is also increased. Let us see. I'm a little bit increasing delay means simply stop the program and change R0 with value 0A to some other value F0 or something. Then it should be more delay at that time. Like that, because of unconditional jump, continuously it is on and off, on and off. Okay. Like that we are controlling the ports of 8051 microcontroller easily. So I hope from this video you can understand how to control the ports of 8051 microcontroller, making like a input port or making like a output port easily, right? So thank you for watching this video. If really like, please kindly share my video to your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.